My name is Nitish Baweja. Our company name is Ahmedabad Road Lines Private Limited. We have been into the trucking industry from more than 30 years. In the 1400 trucks and trailers, Eicher constitutes of more than 350 trucks and trailers. And we also have a fleet of Pro 2109 vehicles. The new vehicle that we have been using, 2109 CNG vehicles, so mileage is a little bit better than the competition, which helps us gain 3,000 to 4,000 rupees per month extra than the competition. In the new range of vehicle, they have introduced M booster as well as they have introduced a turbocharged engine, which improves the mileage. Cruise control helps the driver on the longer run. Drivers are happy with this particular vehicle. So Eicher trucks have improved in the past. We have been using Eicher truck from last 12 years. And the maintenance cost is less in comparison to the competition. My Eicher app helps us to get the mileage of the trucks. With the help of My Eicher app, we can easily call log for the issues, and the Eicher team corrects the vehicle on the road. With the help of the application, we get the exact mileage of the vehicle. So we are moving from the conventional trucking model to the new salary models for the drivers. We are very much happy and satisfied with the service of Eicher trucks and buses, and the team of Eicher is very good. They support us all across India.